Is it?
It's kind of looking the same.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's getting a little lower.
Yes.
Will do. All right, thanks. Yeah, I think he's going around now. Really didn't need you to show it because we get that separately with editing, so it's really fun.
So this is the first time for me to do this.
I think he's good. Yeah, we'll go over.
I'm gonna talk to them.
Okay, you're good? All right.
Nice to
Great.
meet you.
All right, nice to meet you, Andrew. So yeah, as I said, you're just gonna do hi. We're Uvify. We do blah blah blah.
Well, except for the video that you're on.
Yeah, other than the blooper we have of the drone smacking me in the face. Yeah. Uh huh.
It was all CG. It was all CG.
Yeah, it was all CGI. Yeah. Uh huh. This.
Okay.
Just kind of like that.
So you're
Yeah.
not gonna be necessarily asking me questions, just kind of like that.
Yeah, just kind of.
short
Yeah, it's
blurb.
not so much an interview as it is kind of blurb. Yeah.
Okay.
Uh huh.
Of the entire property in wind, have an all-encompassing
Sorry.
perspective of the sea. The waterfalls come together, have an expansive view of your favorite.